welcome to my channel. My name is Amber Marion. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I have another luxury unboxing. I say this in every video, and I'm probably going to say it in every video, so get used to hearing it. These are my favorite type of videos to do, and it's your type of favorite videos to watch. Before we get into today's video, as always, I need you guys to do me a favor. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, turning your post notifications on, as well as giving this video a thumbs up. And while you're at it, you might as well go ahead and add me on Instagram, because I'm always polling my Instagram what do you guys want to see next, giving little teasers of what I'm going to do next. So you definitely want to follow me on Instagram as well. I'm super excited about today's video because usually when I do an unboxing, I've either seen the item before, I know what the item is because when I bought it in the store before they put it in the box, I saw it. Whatever, I always know what the item is. So I'm super excited because I ordered this back in November, and the only way to get this item from Louis Vuitton is to order it. They do not carry this in the stores whatsoever. Okay, I guess Marley wants to leave our video. That's fine. So I was super excited that I finally got the email to go ahead and pick them up in the store. And once again, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I bought a whole lot of stuff when I went to pick this up the other day at Louis Vuitton. It was actually yesterday, but I don't know when this video is going to be up. So I definitely have some more Louis unboxings coming on my channel very soon. But yeah, let's get into today's unboxing. So like I said, this is an item that you cannot buy in stores. I'm going to show you the item. I've never seen it myself, so we're going to see it together. So this is like a first impressions and an unboxing at the same time. That's the first time I think I've done this on my channel, because even my off-white unboxing, I knew more than I know about this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And as you can tell, well, as you can see, it is still in the plastic wrapping from Louis. So I didn't open it. I just got these. I just picked this up yesterday. I wasn't even going to film today, but I'm literally so excited to see these and tell you more about them. So yeah, let's get into it. So that's what the box says. There's too much to read. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Sorry for the crinkle noises, but I'm sure somebody will appreciate that ASMR. So, oh my God, these are so cute. Okay, so let me show you what they are up close. So they are the Louis Vuitton mini candles, and I'm going to tell you in 1 second why I ended up purchasing the mini trio. This is what they look like up close. I don't know if you can see the logo. So this is a set of 3 mini Louis Vuitton candles. I don't know how long Louis Vuitton has had candles out. To my knowledge, this past holiday season was the first time they had them or introduced them, because I feel like I would have known about them before. So prior to purchasing them, and there are 3 different scents, and I'm going to get into why I purchased the mini set. Ooh, this one smells so good. This one is Leblanc. I hope I'm saying that right, because somebody came for me in the comments, y'all, on my pronunciation. So yeah, this one smells really good. This one is Leblanc. And so yeah, I had never seen Louis Vuitton candles before, and at some point in November I had seen an advertisement. I don't even think it was an email. I think I had just seen an advertisement for these like super big 3-wick Louis Vuitton candles. I will insert a picture so that you guys get a little bit better of a sense of what I'm talking about, but they were basically normal sized candles and extra large sized candles. So I had no idea that they were an online only exclusive. So when I was in Louis Vuitton back in November, early December, no, it was like November, late November, I had inquired in the store about purchasing the candles, and the sales rep was like, no, you can only order them online. And I was like, well, I noticed that some of the names of them are the same names as your fragrances. So is that kind of the smell? And she was like, honestly, it isn't. And she was like, we don't have them here in the store for you to smell. We don't have samples. And she was like, one thing that I would suggest is that you go ahead and buy the mini 3-pack so you can kind of see the different scents and see which one you like before committing to buying like the super big candle. So I could already tell just by opening the box, one of them is like not coming out of this. So I will tell you the names of the 3 candles. Oh, I was saying I can already tell just by opening the box that these candles are going to be super scented, and I don't want to necessarily say strong, but I think you're not going to have to burn these as long as you would have to burn like a Yankee candle or a Bath and Body Works candle to really get that fragrance. I think the fragrance is going to be, the scent rather, is going to be a lot more potent in these candles in a lot shorter period of a time, if that makes any sort of sense. So I'm really excited to burn them, see which one's my favorite. I will definitely let you guys know. This is another reason why you should definitely follow me on Instagram, because I probably will light these candles tonight or light my favorite one tonight and let you guys know the scent on there. But I definitely will in my next unboxing or something like that. I will let you know which candle I like the best. They all smell really good, but I feel like the Leblanc one is, yeah. Ooh. Okay, so 2 of them smell good, but I'm not even going to try to say this name because, listen, I'm not even going to try because I'm not even going to try. So you guys can see the name of this one. I will also try to put it on the screen, but this is probably my least favorite. This one kind of has a woodsy, florally smell, and that's not really my thing. But the Leblanc that I'm really loving has like a very clean smell. I would say it almost even smells like the Leblanc has a very clean smell. And then this third one that I can't get out of the box, and I'm not going to struggle to get out of the box and break these on camera. They are in glass. So the third one is something to the effect of jardin, which I know is garden in French, and it does have a very floral but a very light floral scent. So that first one I really wasn't crazy about, but I would definitely think, just based off of the little width, and this is the set of miniature perfume candles. I don't remember the price of this because, like I said, I ordered it so long ago, but I will definitely throw up, as usual, a screenshot or something with the price. And each candle, I'm noticing, because like I said, this is my first time seeing them whatsoever in person. Each candle has a different wick color, which is super cool. I don't know if the bigger ones have that, but I do believe they do, because I did see like a blue wick and a red wick online. So they do come in this box, and you can either have them shipped to your home or shipped to store. One of the things with Louis Vuitton though is when you do order things to your home, someone has to be home to sign for it. So a lot of times it might be easier for you to pick it up in the store, pick it up curbside. Overall, well, actually, let me Google the price of these before I talk a little bit more. Each candle is does have a different color wick. So for this set of 3, it was $285. And then the candles themselves, well, before I talk about the candles, let me just say, they say that Leblanc is a seaside paradise adorned type of fragrance, and the Jardin one is a floral destination fragrance. And the one that I really didn't like was, they describe it as a conjure of a blissful green patch in the countryside. That's probably why I don't like that one. It did smell like grass. I said it was florally, but I was wrong, because once I smelled the floral one, I like kind of put in more into perspective that it smelled like grass. But hey, if that's your thing, that's your thing. So, and then as far as the big candles, they have 2 sizes. I said earlier in the video I'm going to throw them up, but since I have them here on my phone, I'm going to throw them up at this point so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. The 4-wick candle runs for $5.95, and the 1-wick candle runs for $1.90, and it's bigger than bigger than the minis, to be honest, because you can't see them in store. I can't compare them to another candle as far as size. I would hope that the 4-wick candle for $600 is super big. I definitely feel like I will be purchasing the Leblanc fragrance, well, the Leblanc candle in the big size, because I really did like the smell of it. So yeah, overall I think $285 for 3 mini candles isn't too bad when you're talking luxury candles. If you were talking like Bath and Body Works candles, then yeah, I would say that's a little expensive. They definitely don't smell like the perfume, so that's one thing that I was misinformed on going into it, thinking that each scent was going to be the smell of a perfume. That's definitely not the case. I didn't want to do this unboxing. Sometimes I get so excited to do these unboxings that it's like whatever I bought that day, I have to unbox in one video, and I don't want to do that, not only to run out of content, but just because I want to separate it. So if you're just here for candles, you're just here for candles. If you're here for a purse, you're here for a purse. It's as simple as that. So yeah, this was the 3-wick set. I mean, I think it's definitely a great gift as well because of how it comes packaged. And then also you're giving, like if you do give it as a gift and you're not really sure what kind of candle person they are, they do have a variety to choose from. And actually when I went to pick them up in the store, I picked them up at Garden State Plaza. I was asking the sales associate if he had ever smelled them, and he was like, no, actually I haven't, because they're not a product that comes in store. So definitely the most expensive candles I've ever purchased, but I like the vibe. I like the aesthetic. You saw in the pictures I inserted what the bigger candles look like. So if you're somebody that's going for like a nude, clean, modern, like monotone aesthetic, I think it works perfect. If you're somebody that's into like luxury and you have like the different coffee table books from the designers, it's like a perfect piece to have there. And Marley, please, I'm almost done. And if you're somebody that can just drop $600 on a candle, well, then it's a great smelling candle for you. They do smell great. And like I said earlier in the video, I would think because of just how strong the fragrance is coming from the box that you would only have to burn them for a shorter period of time than you would a normal candle to really get your room to have that potent fragrance. Overall, on a first impression scale, I'm highly impressed with the fragrance of the candles. I also love the packaging, well, the actual candle jar. I think the minis are super cute. They are smaller than I was expecting them to be for $285, I will be honest. I thought maybe they would be a little bigger, like maybe just a little bit bigger. But overall, I would definitely suggest and recommend, if you are interested in buying one of the candles for $200, $300, $600, to try the mini set first so you find which fragrance you exactly like if you haven't smelt the candle before. So I would definitely suggest that. Overall, I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It wasn't a purse unboxing, but I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you're hitting that like button as well as subscribing to my channel and turning your post notifications on, because for 2021, I'm going to be a lot more consistent. So I'm here. I'm giving y'all consistency. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn those post notifications on, because if luxury unboxing is your thing, then this is the channel for you. I'll see you guys in the next video.